We have earned one incident today at around 11:30 at Bungoma Road Courts, and specifically High Court number 2. One DCI officer, who is an investigating officer, IO, in a case, accidentally discharged one round of ammunition from his Seska pistol, and that round ricocheted and injured slightly the following people. One prison officer who was injured at the shin slightly, and two male civilians and another female civilian, both slightly. It is not serious. And the officer himself was also injured on the hip, where he enhosted the firearm. We have visited the scene and processed it. The victims have been taken to hospital in stable condition. As I have seen, there are slight injuries. And we have equally commenced the investigations on what transpired. But as I've said, it was accidental. It was not intentional.
I was cross-examining the witness. Just before I could wind up my cross-examining the witness, we heard a sound within the court. We didn't know exactly what it was. We stood and watched, waiting and see what was going. Later, in a few seconds, we saw blood just next to where other advocates were sitting. That is when we realized that there is an issue here. We ran out of the court. Some of the officers were injured, and 2 or 3 litigants were also injured. Some of us escaped without any injury.